Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I didn't really know what to film today. I was on Twitter and I said I'm bored, but I feel like doing my makeup, so would you guys watch a video of that? So I guess this is gonna be a chit chat. Get ready with me, even though I don't have that much to chat about. So because I don't really know what this video is or where we're going with this look here, let's just go. So I already filled in my eyebrows and you can see these patches there on my face. They're from Milk Makeup, cooling the water, cooling something there. We're gonna test it out, see how my under eyes look before I put makeup on there. And because you know it says like cooling and stuff like that, I was keeping it in the fridge, so hopefully it actually does something to my face. Now for my eyeshadow, I figured, you know, like I should probably use this palette, so I'm gonna use Sugarpill and maybe one or two other palettes for my eyeshadow. If you guys are new here, then I literally bought this palette a whole year ago. I bought it for my birthday, and my birthday's in about two or 3 weeks, so it really has been close to a year. I bought this palette because everyone raves about Sugarpill eyeshadows, and then I never, oh, I should probably show you the actual palette here. Let me not drop it. This is what, all right, this is what the palette looks like. So basically you can customize your own palette. This was not cheap, okay? I don't remember how much it cost, but she wasn't cheap, and I have not used it in a year. So y'all know I was gonna stack it with some colorful shadows. Oh, by the way, no, where is it? This brown is the one that I started putting on my eye. Everything I use will be in the description in case I forget to, you know, say it throughout the video. So yeah, we're gonna test out Sugarpill eyeshadow palette. Sugarpill eyeshadows today. Now I'm going to go in with orange. That was a nice transition shade, at least for my skin tone. I don't know any of the shade names because they're all under the pans, so I'll leave the actual shade names in the description as well, just to show how random looks can go. I think I'm gonna do another layer of that brown on top of the orange, so that it's not so orange and it's like bronzy brown orange. That probably doesn't make sense, but I think I have something in mind here for what I'm trying to do on my face. I'm trying to make it happen, so let's just go with it. Yeah, I was debating whether I was going to take it into my crease, but sure, let's go with that. So in my outer corner and crease, that brown from the palette, just gonna go in with that there. I'm gonna go with green for my lid color. Green is my favorite color, and I like that this green is kind of like a forest green. I feel like most greens are either, you know, neon or Lucky Charms green, but I don't know, I feel like you don't see too many greens like this, which is probably why I bought it. Kind of not digging how this green blended out. Maybe that's why we don't see too many of them, but now I'm just tapping in some of this black in my outer corner. Alrighty then, so in an attempt to quickly save this look because I quickly was not feeling it, I went ahead and did this. I'm gonna try to do this on the same eye because I really don't feel like starting over and washing my face. I really don't feel like going through that, so we're gonna try to save this look here somehow. So basically I went back to that dark brown from the Sugarpill palette and started blending these two. And on the other eye, I realized I still don't like that. So let me finish doing this first. All right, and since it was already giving me a weird cut crease vibe anyway, I went ahead and took this Glossier Lid Star in Herb and kind of gave myself the cut crease effect. Alrighty then, not exactly what we had planned, but better than what we had going on. So I'm gonna take these off. Let me check to make sure I don't have any green. Oh wait, let me remove that. Not necessarily sure the patches did anything, but all right, let's just move on there. I'm going to prime my face. You know, it's probably weird that I'm priming my face using a radiance primer and I have oily skin, but you know, we've got a theory. We're testing it out. We're going to see by the end of this video. It'll probably also be weird when you see the foundation I want to use, but again, let's just test out the theory. I'm gonna do something a little different today. I'm actually going to conceal before I put foundation on. I saw Arnell do this, and then like right after I saw her do it, I saw Makeup Mario say that he applies makeup this way, so I was like, the people have spoken, let's let's test this method out. And yes, I am using the Flawless Fusion by Laura Mercier. I know I've had quite a bit to say about this concealer, but you know when you want a product to work, so you just keep trying it, you keep trying it different ways. So I'm hoping this different way that I've got today in this video will be it for this concealer, because so many people like this concealer. And I mean, don't get me wrong, when I tried it, it was nice on my face. It's just the wear, I felt like it creased on me. So let's see. All right, I let that sit on my face for a minute. Now I'm going to blend it out with this Morphe E8. I feel like I should know the name of this brush by now. I'm also not sure how I feel about this color. Something about the undertone is making me side-eye, but again, you know, just going to finish this out and see how it looks. Ooh, she is looking light, but I'm gonna go in and blend all over that again with this Ofra sponge. Alrighty then, she is a full coverage concealer, and I'm pretty sure letting it sit on your face just takes that times 10. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Again, oily skin, Sheer Glow Radiance Primer, but I was on Sephora's website, you know, probably buying some things I didn't need to be buying, and they, you know how if you spend like over $25, you can get deluxe samples and stuff like that. So basically I saw this, and NARS said that I had a new shade match in Sheer Glow, because I've tried Sheer Glow before. I have a foundation hunt on it. I know I've tried it, it's on my channel. But I believe the shade was like really red on me, so that's why, you know, I didn't do that much testing with it. So basically they said that this was my exact match in the shade New Caledonia. I swatched it on my chest, can't do it right now because of this shirt, and points might have been made. Let me go ahead and blend this out. Might have used too much foundation. Like, that's what sucks when I don't have a pump. I can never, you know, measure correctly, but it's not the thickest of foundation, so we should be okay. But you know, less is more. This whole look is a learning process. All right, and to set my under eye, it feels weird since the foundation's on top. I'm gonna go ahead and let's use the Fenty powder that I showed in the other video. Yeah, all right, and I guess just like I would set my under eye normally. Contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Match Stick, which I'm not exactly the biggest fan of, but it'll get the job done today. I just feel like it pulls product up, like it pulls my foundation up, depending on how I blend it out, but like I said, it'll do for today. Yeah, to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Sephora Micro Smooth, and really I only put that powder anywhere I bronzed and contoured. And for blush, you already know, ColourPop. Wait, I know the name. Currently, yes, description box, it'll be there, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. You don't put blush on the tip of your nose and chin. Are you really makeuping? Right, so I'm going to take this D-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control from, or why am I shaking it? From Urban Decay. Hold it away from my face, and all right, and then just line my lips using this lip pencil from NYX. I feel like the way I line my lips looks weird, but it all works out in the end. Well, hopefully we'll see how this goes. I've been saying everything works out in the end, and everything has not. And fill that in with Creme de la Creme from Caked Makeup, a fave, y'all already know. And then top it with this Amber lip gloss from Anastasia. Smells good. Beverly Hills. All right, and now just to add that blue from the Sugarpill palette to my under eye, I'm gonna place it first. I've learned my lesson with putting shadow down there, because before it just always ended up inside my eye. Of course, all I have left to do is put lashes on and film an outro, and my battery is dying. This is the second pair of lashes I've used from this company, and I feel like the lashes never open the same. All right, and that is it for what I now feel was a struggle get ready with me makeup tutorial, whatever you would like to call this. We are finally done here. Let me know about a couple things. Let me know how you feel about this foundation shade. I felt like when it swatched on my chest, I felt like when it swatched on my chest, it was alright. On my face, now I'm not really that sure. Maybe it's this foundation shade, but the concealer. Also, let me know how you feel about foundation over concealer. It really is a struggle video right now. Alrighty then, can you hear me slapping onto my actual thighs? Anyway, let me know how you feel about foundation over concealer. What else? Like, I don't know, just comment down below, all right? My brain is shot. I need to go ahead and wrap up this video. So thank you guys for allowing me to just, play on my face on camera here, not knowing what we were going for or doing in this video. I hope seeing me try out some of these things has helped if any of you are thinking of checking them out for yourselves. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Ponytails look so nice on everyone else, and then I do it on myself and I'm just like, you look like a toe. Wait, yeah, maybe looking. All right, voice went through puberty there at the end. Ooh. Oh, she creasing. Oh, my eyeshadow's creasing. You know what? Let's just finish. Lush, y'all already know. ColourPop. Oh wait, I know the name.